Hi, I'm Josh at Barbecues Galore, and today I'm here to talk about the Broil King Crown pellet grills. Inside your computer housing, anywhere from 180 degrees up to 600 degrees. Inside my hopper where I feed my pellets through, into my auger, into my center 3-inch burn pot. Inside my housing here, I have cast iron grills, and underneath my cast iron grills, which I can pick up with my handy dandy little helper here, I have a 304 grade stainless steel heat diffuser, which again deflects my heat coming up from my center burn pot. It is angled so that all of my drippings go into an internally housed drip channel for that nice and easy, concise cleanliness that we like. As well as tomorrow when I go to light it up, I can dump my ash by spinning my burn pot back and forth and discard my spent ash from my pellets. Really, it's a wonderful unit. In both here, what we're looking at on this grill, the 400 series size, or we have the larger 500 series size. Again, excellent heat control, dual probes that go through your side grommet here so that you can get that heat retention and check out your internal temperatures on all of your meats that you're cooking. Everything is controlled via your computer here, and on the inside of your box here, there's an internal thermometer that you can get your temperature from 15 different points of your grill that maintains your temperature inside your computer so that you don't see those temperature fluctuations and everything maintains the course. Really consistent when you get into the cooks here. That's what we're looking for. Again, these are the crowns. And if you need more information about this, go to barbecuesgalore.ca.